Hi, good morning, guys. You will learn anything if I encourage your dream of becoming a successful stock trader. Don't get me wrong, just follow these 3 steps. Before I let you know the 3 basic steps, please hit subscribe button and click the bell icon. The good news, you need not have to spend years to learn. I will teach you to be successful in just 3 steps. Backtest this strategy and do a paper trading in tomorrow's market. Don't invest until you are confident. If you're still not confident, join our WhatsApp group for group discussion. Link is there in the description below. Now let's go to the chart. Before going to the chart, please pause this video for a moment and make a note of these 3 important steps. They are candle range, the range of the candle, high and low, that's called as the range of the candle, support and resistance, and the entry point. So once you are done with it, now let's go to the chart. Now let's start. For the first 15 minutes, no trade. The rule is first 15 minutes, no trade. Mark the high and low of the first 15 minutes candle, which is known as the initial balance. It's already done. I have already marked the high and low of the first 15 minutes candle. The high is 16,998.95 and low is 16,986.50, which is almost 100 points. Now, after 15 minutes of the market opening, change it to 5 minutes. Now, my first step is candle range. Candle range should be between 25 to 30 points. Now, let me check which candle is between 25 to 30 points after 9:30. So this is there. 16,940 is the low and 16,974 is the high. Since this is a green candle, we are supposed to buy above 16,975. The range of candle is perfect and we did not get any buy trade. Now, let's go for the next candle. Next candle high is 16,959. It is 16,960 and 16,921, which is 40 points. We will not be trading on this because the range is very high. And even this candle range is also high. This candle range is low, but it is a indecisive candle. When the market itself is not decided, then who am I to decide on this? So I will not going to take a trade on this. Now, next one is the green candle. I am supposed to take a buy trade on this candle and the range is very high. And this candle is 875 and 915. This is almost 40 points. I will not take any trade on this candle. Now comes this candle. This candle high is 16,880 and 16,848, which is almost 32 points. I will not initiate any trade on this. Even this is also, the range is more. This is a fantastic, but we need to take a sell trade on this. Sell trade on this did not get active. So, no taking of any trade. On this candle, 16,906.1, 16,866.7. So this is almost 40 points. I am not initiating any trade on this. This is a green candle. This is a fantastic candle. This is a green candle, and this is 905, 16,905 and 16,883. So the range is perfect. So we have to initiate a buy trade on this. We need to buy above this. This is 1020. So here, let's go to the chart, the option chart. What's the time here? The time here is 1020. 1020 option chart. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 18, 10, 19. Let me increase the size of this. 1020. Yes. 1020 option chart. I'm a buyer. I have to buy. I will be buying above the high of above this high at 1020, which is 144.7, almost 145. 145 and 139. So my stop loss will be at 139 and my entry will be at 145. So this trade is not active. This trade did not get activated. See, after this one, these two green candles were made. I'm sorry, red candles were made. So the trade did not active. The trade did not activate. So this is null and void. Now, next comes next one is this candle. The candle at 1055. See the range of this candle. It is one high is 16913 and 16887. 16887, 13 plus 13, 26 points. So this will give us, so I can initiate a trade on this candle because the range of this candle is just 26 points. So my first trade of today at 1055, I tried here, but that did not give me in the chart. Now at 1055, let me go to the option chart at 1055. Let's see what happens. What is the 1051, 1052, 1054, 1055, 1055. So this is a red candle. I will not going to initiate any trade on this candle. This is a red candle. So I will not initiate any trade on this candle. So the next candle is the green candle. After this, this is the green candle. The high of this candle is 138.4. And low of this candle is 131. 138.4 and 131. Total 7 points. And double that, 1:2 is 14 points. So 138 plus 14 is 152. 152 is my target. So it's easily achieved here by this is the target. This is the target. And 7 points stop loss. 7 points stop loss. Do we have any technique which is easier than this? In case if you have one, please give that technique in the comment box. Please comment in the comment box and please let me know. Let me also learn from you. So I took the trade on this candle. Let me specify this candle on this candle. Let me mark the high and low of this candle. The high of this candle is 138.4. And the low of this candle is low of this candle is 131. 131. So the range of this candle is 131 and 138.4, 7.4, which is almost 14 points. 14. No, I'm sorry. This is 7 points, 7.5. So let me round it off to 7. 7 and 7, 14. 138 plus 14 is 152. So that is the target. This target was easily achieved. It's here. 152 is easily achieved here. When once the target is achieved, you're happy, I'm happy. As a teacher, I'm happy. As a trader, you're happy. So we are happy. So please subscribe this channel. Every update will be given here. I will also show you, even in stocks, even in Bank Nifty, any chart. Just 3 steps. So please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. In case if you have any question, post your questions in the description box, in the comments below. So just go to the description, and if you need some more help, so join our WhatsApp group where you will get all the information. Thank you.